This is the 3rd grade worksheet for lesson 38, and I'll be covering it. So the first part is just this thing. So basically, it says that 12 minus 6 equals 6, 6 plus 6 equals 12. So you have to find this missing number here. So 12 minus some missing number equals 6. Now, to solve it, we have to think about it. So what subtracted from 12 gets you 6? And we can do this by saying that, okay, so we know that whatever number this is, when you subtract it to 12, you get 6. So you just take this number from here. So we just rewrite it as like this. And 6 plus one number equals 12. And if you look back here, it's just 6 plus 6 equals 12. So the answer is 6. Or what you could do instead of doing this, what you can do is just take whatever number here, you just subtract. You do 12 minus 6, take this number here, and you get 6, and the answer is 6. Same thing, I'll give you another one. If you have 4 minus another number equals 2. So you just take this number here, and then you just write it like this: 4 minus 2, which equals 2. So the answer is just 2. Same thing for here, 7 minus some number equals, let's say, 3. Just rewrite it as 7 minus 3, and the answer is 4. So that's how you solve a problem when you're missing the second number here. For number 2, it's saying 2 plus 3 equals 5, 5 minus 3 equals 2. So then it's 3 plus a number equals 5. If you just look up here, it says 2 plus 3 equals 5. That means it must be 2 here. I must have made 2. Because 3 plus 2 is the same thing as 2 plus 3. So the answer is just 2 here. So yeah. But if you don't want to look up there, all you have to do is just rewrite it, and you write it as 5 minus 3. You should get 2. And then whatever this number is, that's your answer for here. So that's how you do the first part. Now for the second part, is multiplication. I recommend to just memorize all of these, because when you go to like 5th grade and 4th grade, it's going to be a lot faster. But you should be able to memorize them. But if you don't, you just have to think of it like this. So you have 2 times 6, so you can just rewrite it as 6 plus 6, because there's 2 6's. And then you add them, you get 12. So the answer to 2 times 6 is 12. For here, we have 9 times 11. Whenever you have a number times 11, you just write that number twice like this: 99. And the answer to 9 times 11 is 99. That's how you just memorize it. 4 times 9, you just have to memorize it as 36, or you can just add them up. Like 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. And when you add them all up, you should get 36. This one's pretty straightforward. 1 times anything is the same number. Yeah, that's how you do these problems here. Okay, so now we have addition. This is pretty easy too. So first one, we have 65 plus 13. I recommend writing in a column like this. Just solve them by columns. So first you do 5 plus 3 like that, which gives you 8, and then you go to the second column and you just do 6 plus 1 like that, which gives you 7. So the answer here is 78. And the same thing for here. We have 30 plus 35. Just think if you add them in columns. So you do 0 plus 5, which is 5, and then 3 plus 3, which is 6. So the answer for here is 65. And for number 3, you do 26 plus 43. You add them in columns again. You use 6 plus 3, which is 9. And then 2 plus 4, which is 6. So the answer is 69. So that's how you solve these ones. If you know how to solve single digit numbers, then you'll do just fine. Just remember to add them by columns like that. And then when you get to a problem like this, like 78 plus 19, you get 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. So you take that 7, just write it there. You take that 1, you just put it on top. You just carry over the 1, and that just becomes 1 plus 7 plus 1, which is 9. So the answer is 10, it's just minus 7. Now we have word problem. So Sally has a total of 15 baseball cards to sell. She is able to sell 9 of the cards to Sammy. How many cards does Sally have left to sell? So in the beginning she has 15 baseball cards and she sells 9 of them. So that means it's just 15 minus 9 because she basically just gets rid of the 9 cards. It's asking how many cards does she have left. So you just do 15 minus 9, and when you do it, you should get 6. So she should have 6 cards to sell. So yeah, thank you for watching.